0017. Currently, I am working in the MakeInCollege Software Solution Private Limited as intern. First of all, I would like to thank you, Anil Kumar sir, to giving this such wonderful opportunity. And by this internship, I learned a lot of knowledge. Not only the skill knowledge, I learn something non-technical skills also. Uh, by this internship, first I learn how to work patiently in the software industry. What are the required skills in software industry? So this internship gives a very special experience to me, how to handling that particular situations, how to handling projects. So I really thank you sir to given this wonderful opportunity. uh, I will explain about what I have done in throughout this internship. I done 30 days, including tomorrow also. So I will explain what I have done, and so I will explain along with my Scrum details, like my login details, login log details. So this is our internship Make in College Software Solution website. So I will log in here. This is a website created by Anil sir. I really like this website because of their layout, and there's something information is very user friendly. So I will show. I will explain about my suggestions, and last I will explain about that, and then I will show my log details. Yeah, our internship starts from this month, the first September, and first day we listen some lecture about HTML and CSS, including my introductions, my introducer with my friend, my teammates, and sir, and what are my goals like that. I really enjoyed the first day of. And from starting of this internship I really like, and I really have that much of confident because of sir given this that much of confident to me. uh, First of all, some I really disturb about some that particular timings. uh, Throughout this internship I manage my time, and this internship given that time management sense also me. So by this internship improve my communication skills with the team members and like that. So first listen a lecture about that particular I mean sir told some HTML concepts, and sir given that some I mean suppose given a website, how much time I will take, asking like that sir. So I tried and practice on that particular HTML and CSS, because of I know something knowledge about that particular HTML and CSS. So I I really tried, and I really enjoyed that. And afternoon sessions are again discuss about that offer letter and something. I will show my offer letter also. This is my offer letter. Uh, I think this is my first offer letter from internship. So I really feel very happy behalf of this Making Software Solution Private Limited company. Okay, so this and I really liked in this one of the most uh, one of the most helpful for me in this internship is my team. Really, I really enjoyed and really work with my team members and their interpretations and their way of thinking. I really learn so much from my friends also. So another topic is scrum meeting. Scrum meeting is a very good concept in this throughout internship. Scrum meeting will give I mean, the different interpretations from the my friends, my team members, and the way of thinking and my thinking and comparative with others. So it's very interesting. So I really like this Scrum meeting, and sir given. I first explain what is Scrum. Scrum is a team. This Scrum team, and sir will divide Scrum leaders. Particular a person will handle this team in 3 days or something. So we all teammates are working as a scrum masters also. So that scrum master position will give the team handling spirit, and as a team leader it gives the leadership quality also. So it's a very good experience as my interpretation. So the first day will go like that, team member discussions and interactions. So I will show my second day log. In second day log, this is a listen lecture about a XAMPP. XAMPP is a local host. I mean a local host server. It gives runs PHP and MySQL in a server side. So it's a very good I mean, good application to evolve there with PHP and MySQL. So uh, by this internship, first I understand what is XAMPP and how it will work. So before joining this internship, I don't know what is XAMPP and how it will work. So it's a I by this internship, I I gained some knowledge, and as a I will handle. It gives some confidence on me. I will handle the particular team. I will do some particular task. If my team leader, if my boss assign some work, I will definitely do that much of confidence. I gained in this particular internship. That credits will goes to Anil sir. Really, sir will very helpful to me. And if I get some error, if I get some doubt, sir will help very help to me and solving that particular problem. Explaining the way of explanation very good, sir. So I really like that way of explanation. By that way of explanation, we get some knowledge. So I feel very happy to say that. And XAMPP. So as this explanation, I will show how the XAMPP will work. So first of all, we need to install the XAMPP file. So installation, go XAMPP download, and there will be first website download XAMPP Apache friends. So click on that, and there will be download option will come here. Download option will there. So try to download the new application. I mean here it is a window application. So try to download. This is the latest version. So this will be the installation process. After the installations, we need to do some installation in our system also. So after that, we need to run that particular XAMPP, that is a XAMPP control. So click on that, and here we need to start Apache server. Apache server is a local host server. It gives our files runs on a local server. So we need to click on start option of both MySQL and Apache server. So I will explain about, and I will explain about that particular example also after later when I will get that. So I really discussed with Anil sir about the XAMPP installation failure, and listening lecture about piece of code in PHP. And from the second day, we start the small piece of codes in using PHP. uh, I really, first of all, before this internship, I don't know the exact how to code in the PHP, how the PHP will work, how the PHP will run in the server. So by this internship, I learned some basic concept, not that much of maybe, but I gained some much of knowledge in that PHP code. So we discussed the installation failure XAMPP. Uh, I'm also get that installation failure as my SQL server will not run because of in my system there will be another MySQL server, so I am not get that particular XAMPP MySQL. So I asked sir, this particular XAMPP will not work in my system. Then sir connected in Google Meet and solved that particular problem. Uh, Through this explanation, I mean troubleshooting that particular XAMPP, I also learned so how to troubleshoot that, how to resolve that particular error. So that's credits will goes to Anil sir. Sir, thank you. And then after that, I'm not able to work due to some network connectivity because of a bad weather condition. So at that time I'm not work. So I will show my third day log. Yes, this is my third day log. Because of first two days, there will be some short work. I mean, sir make us I mean comfortability. So we need some time to I mean some time to get feel comfortable. So sir given that much time to 2 days. And from third day we participate very actively, and we gaining knowledge what sir has told. So here the third day we discussed about infinity free web hosting service. uh, I will tell you what is Infinity Free. Infinity Free is a web hosting service platform. So by this Infinity Free, we can host our. We can host our application. We can host our web page in server throughout online. By using this XAMPP, we can run our files in our local system. But by using this Infinity Free, we can learn our files in online. So we can run in another system also. That is the main use of the particular Infinity Free. It is open source, so we can get easily access in this particular. I will show how to sign up also. Click on Infinity Free Net. When we are open that particular official page, here will be the client area. Click on that. So after that we need to create our page, our account. So click on sign up. I already have account, but I will show how to create it. Okay. Then I really liked in this internship, that is sir will make us, sir give some task 1, task 2, task 3, like that. We need what we have learned in this particular XAMPP, or that particular Infinity Free, that particular HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, and what we have learned in this particular internship. Sir given that particular task to make a tutorial video, and we also tried that particular tutorial video, and we uploaded in my YouTube channel. And I will post, I will send my link to sir. And by this task we give we gain some knowledge how to uh, how to explain, and how much knowledge we gained in this particular in this particular internship topics. So by this task, we also learn some more knowledge. And along with that, personally, I really improved. I feel my improved my communication skills by this. making tutorial videos. So I really like that. And then we need to create here something. Okay, then we need to go login page. There will be I will show. Sorry, I typed. Sorry for that. Okay, then I will show. Sorry, actually it's not running. Due to connectivity problem, it's not working. Sorry for that. I will show later. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Then I will explain my Scrum. Okay. It will using for web hosting, and then we can easily host our website. Okay. So in this particular tutorial, I mean in this particular class, we learned some anchor tag uses and build up web pages, adding previous created website by using anchor tags. So we learned about Bootstrap. We know the basic working of Bootstrap. So I will show how it works. What is the main use? By using this bootstrap, we can create our website very dynamically, very attractiveness. It gives some colors and some functionalities. And by using this bootstrap, it's looking very interactive web pages. We can create here. I mean, we will copy here the link and we will paste our uh, particular web pages and particular files. So it gives it already coded some piece of code, and it will use for both css and javascript. So here already created something. I mean it gives already color, already created colors. So we can using this particular bootstrap. uh, we will save our time also, right? So this will be the here will be how to download or what are the contents javascript to webpack. And we will learn by using this. I mean here also forms, what are the form controls, select options, radio buttons, those things are will be here. Okay. So then discussed about jn2 web pages and tags, some basics bootstrap. uh, we ANTUA. Yes. Here we discuss really in JNT website also they were using Bootstrap. This is the website, JNTU website. Here using a Bootstrap because of by using this Bootstrap, it will give some automatic color, some automatic styles to that particular text. What are the uses H1, header tags, forms, tables, like that, right? So we we discussed in that particular class. I mean, in that particular lecture we discuss about this website and what are the bootstrap things are used in this particular thing. Okay, so after that we discuss we at night we I mean 6 to 6:30 we discuss that particular topics discussed in that day. uh, we conduct a meeting, that is scrum meeting. In that meeting we discuss what we have done, what are the team members are done that particular tasks and particular practices. We discuss all those things and we recorded that thing and send it to sir. So I will show my fourth work. Actually, I think fourth day, I mean fourth date of September is Sunday. So I will show my fifth. So this is the fifth day Scrum. I mean a log. So here at morning, daily our internship timing started from 8:30. So at that 8:30, we discussed here about software development phases and non-technical skills. So in this internship, I know some technical skills, so uh, I think it is enough that particular professional who are working in that industry. So and then Sir told some non-technical skills also are very much important in this professional life. So I think if we are a developer, we should be proud of as a hands of many skilled software developers like work behind this innovation. So when I say skilled things like coding, automating, and understanding multiple frameworks, database methodologies, and library may come into your mind, right? So these are extremely important for our career growth, but some non-technical skills are equally important to becoming a great software or product developer. So these non-technical skills are very much important. Sir also told that particular non-technical skills what are required for our professional life. So if if we are a decent developer with the technical skills, check out some basic non-technical skills also. Those are communication, openness to new experience, time management, passion for software development, teamwork skills, leadership skills, and creativity, problem solving skills. These are the non technical skills. So communication in the sense we interact with I mean, communication is always a crucial to effective teamwork and client satisfaction, right? So it is a very much important non-technical skills, and openness to new experience is also very much important in this technological and IT platform. So these are the main non-technical skills required for a professional. I mean, a professional person in working as a developer or something team management. Okay, so we also need a passion for software development. If you're a person who complete graduate and took this job just because of you need a job, it's not necessary that you have to passion it for your being a great developer. So in order to give the best out of your work, so you should love what you do, right? So this non-technical skills gives that much of confidence, that much of passion. We work with a passion, right? So it gives our great career, great growthness, right? So teamwork skills also very much important. So leadership skills. So these are the main skills we require here. Work on website. So we work on some websites how to cloning something, right? So and we discuss and we conduct a scrum meeting with my team members and discuss about what we have done on that particular day. So I will show the sixth day. Yeah, this is the sixth day, my log. So we listened about that particular lecture, CSS and website dividing modules. So we discussed something CSS concepts like styling. So by that lecturing, we listen about that particular CSS. We have some knowledge about that particular CSS. So and we more concentrated on that particular website dividing modules. It will very helpful for that. We know we don't need to coding again this by dividing that modules. So collecting source code of website and dividing code as modules, and we have done some work on that particular website to dividing something code piece of code by header, footer, and something menu tags, right? So I will show how to working as also. So need to create control you. This is the source code, right? So we have we have copied that particular entire code. mm, Studio, university dot php. Okay, then listed here, and then we need to divide something header tags, right? So I will divide it header and footer. Okay, so you can divide this, save it where it will saved. Go to that file here, university, right? So copy it, otherwise cut it, and then paste here because of we created a separate file, right? So I will show how to run that particular exam file here. So you need to click on that particular start button, and here also you can go directly click on admin button. It's show dashboard. So on university, because of we need to save that particular file in HD docs. That's why it will run in only. Okay. Okay, then university.php. Here I divided some header tag, right? So we need to create that particular code in different modules because of by dividing this particular particular website into header footer like that. So we can easily connect with other web pages also. Uh, this particular piece of code of head. Okay, university head. So then we need to divide the footer, and we learn those things in that particular practice work. So we run on the websites and test cases, Scrum. After that, we discuss in that particular topic in the Scrum meeting. So I will show my seventh day. Okay, then yeah, here seventh day again started on 8:30. Started at 8:30. So lecture about discuss some functions in PHP. Basically, functions. We know the functions. Use of functions. What are the functions? Function is a piece of code. I mean, it collective of some statements and execute at a one time. And every statement has some input and output, right? So it will execute at a time the number of statements by using that function name. So we discussed about that functions in PHP, and we working on that particular PHP functions. We practiced. Because of I really liked in this internship, that is practicing. Sir given some sir explain about that particular topic and give some time to practice it. I really like and enjoyed that. So I practiced on that particular PHP functions, and after that at 11:30 discuss with the sir some form tags and anchor tags using bootstraps. Okay, and here in this form tags, basically form tag is used to create some login forms and something, right? So I also created some forms related to that, and anchor tags working with. After that we have work from 1 to 3 working on a form tag and anchor tag. Basically form tag is used for for user to create login and some detailed collective information forms, right? So by using HTML and by using HTML, I created that. After this particular listening PHP code, and I also tried to creating some forms. Okay. After that, we have discussed with a group because of I think sir has some work, and sir told discuss with your team members how to work on it, and I have discussed with my team, and after that. At night we conduct a meeting, that's a scrum meeting, and we have we discuss in that scrum meeting about that particular topic discussed in that day. What you have that particular PHP functions, form tag, anchor tag, like. Okay, then after that, this is my seventh day working. After that, eighth day. Yeah, this is my eighth day scrum, I mean login. So here also we conduct a meeting at 8:30. There will be a lecture on introspection and aspect of improving group productivity. So in this particular session, we discuss. Sir told some introspection and aspects improving group productivity. What is the main use of that particular group, and uh, and sir also told. Think what are the interpretation given by some other team members, other team groups, how they are I mean how they are express their feeling, how they are give their interpretations. Sir told we also listen some particular other interpretation, so it will give some more knowledge about that, right? So the way of thinking also we can gain, say, when we are listening others interpretation, right? So sir gives some much time to watch other group daily scrums. Actually we created a daily scrum, so by that particular scrum, so we discuss some important topics what we have discussed in throughout the day. We watch those scrum meetings of other team members, and by that by watching that scrum meeting we really realize what are the different way of thinking compared to with other person, what is the way of thinking, my knowledge, I mean my interpretation. So I gained some much knowledge on other interpretations and my interpretations. So that really helped that particular session. And after that, I will listen the lecture about file put content and file put contents functions in HTML. Basically, file put contents is used with some file functions, so it's really helpful in the HTML. And sir also shows some piece of code how to that particular file put contents will work. So I really work. After that, we created some login forms and storing data into a file. So we discuss and we practice on that. Uh, I will show what we have practiced here. That all files are my practices using JNTO directories and email. I will explain after I will explain later how I created. Okay. Then after that. I listen loops and arrays concept in PHP. So I told some important topics in PHP, how to use the loops and arrays in PHP. And by listening that particular class, I gained some knowledge about that PHP. Okay, sorry. Okay, then. Yeah, after that, we have discussed those things, arrays and loops concept in Scrum meeting also. So actually, with my friends, with my team members, I discussed those things, and I gained some knowledge of other interpretations, how they are thinking about that particular loops and arrays concepts, how they are practiced, and then I choose the good practices who are really practiced, and I taken those suggestions and I practice on that. So this is my eighth day Scrum. After that, yeah, ninth day. Yeah, in ninth day, we really recollecting what we'll cover until. We recollecting those concepts what we have discussed and what we have practiced. Sir conduct a small meeting and sir recollecting those concepts. After that, sir told given a concept to make a tutorial video what concepts we have done. With my team members and me individually, we make tutorial videos. I will show those tutorial videos also. Yeah, I really love this task because of by doing this tutorial video, we also recollecting those things, and I really very happy to say that. Here I save those things as a playlist of web development. Okay, so here see web hosting, PHP, and XAMPP and HTML, CSS, Bootstrap. I created those things as a task, and through this tutorial video, saying I recollecting and also I gain some knowledge. I recollect and I gain some knowledge from other websites also. Like when sir given to particular task, I searched those things in YouTube channel and Google, and after that I collect some information and then I make a tutorial video. By doing this, I really gain some knowledge. Okay, and after that. We make that particular videos, and then those videos will be uploading in YouTube. After that, we all team members and individuals are sending to us these videos we are making, and uh, after that, at 7, we conduct a scrum meeting. In that scrum meeting, we discuss with my team members how they are covered that particular topics, how they are discussed, how they are making the tutorial video, and the way of editing, the way of explanation, the way of I mean. Uh, Valuable information collecting, those things are very good. Also, I also told some these concepts I covered from these websites. They like this, and by these discussions, really improved my knowledge along with my team members. This is my ninth day, and after that, 10th day. Yeah, in 10th day, we discuss, we listen a lecture about arrays and tables. Sir told some information about arrays and tables. That lecture almost 130 minutes. 1 hour 30 minutes. After that, we practiced on table and arrays concepts. I will show. We practiced those things. Three dogs. These all are we practice here and some other directories. Actually, I reinstalled it, so it shows as a jam 2, but it not. First I created jam 1. After that jam here jam 1 also some files are there. Uh, Images, web, something okay. So it's a happy HTML. These are the starting. Starting applications are I created. So that after that I'm not attended to class due to some technical issues, and in that technical issues also I'm not joining the class, but I practice those things, what are the tables and arrays concepts, because of sir give some positiveness, some confidence to us. Don't waste time, and be patient. So we really work and those things in that, even that in that particular technical issues also. So after that we practice. I'm not attending class, so after that I discussed my team members in scrum meeting, but till that I discussed I practice on that particular tables, arrays, and PHP code, small things, and all those things I practice. After that, I discussed what Sir told in that particular class in my Scrum meeting. Friends also told Sir, these concepts are covered, these concepts are told. So we discuss and we practice on that. These are the eighth day. After that, 10th day, sorry, 10th day. Actually, 11th is Sunday, so we didn't attend any classes. Sir also didn't conduct any classes. So then this is the 12th day concepts. Log. 12th day also we are joining at 8:30. 8:30 lecture about creating login forms and using PHP. So basically we created some login forms in the sense basically. Maybe login form or profile forms like that, I think all of you know. And I really practice on that particular login forms, creating small login forms for a particular web page or particular, particular web pages, particular profile pages. I practice on those things, and I search some login forms in Google. Those login forms I practice on that, and after that I created something, and I designed some extra yeah, text information also, like basically login form have username password, right? I added date of birth also by using date module. Okay. After that sir again conduct a meeting at 1:30. In that lecture, Sir told about a session start function for login forms. Session start function basically used to in a PHP code for a, especially for something forms, right? So these the session start function. Using that session start function, we also practice on that. Uh, we practiced, and after that we conduct a small scrum meeting at 7:30, at 7, around 7 to 7:30. In that scrum meeting we discussed what my team members have done, what I have done using that particular session start function and login forms, the way of login forms they created, with all those things we discussed, and we created also. And after that, some scrum meeting I practiced on those things also. So this is my tool today. I will show infinity free what I have done also. So yeah, this is also what I have done. Okay, those things, form actions right here. Stored data, created credit data. Here, like a roll number, email, father name, contact, those things. Store data. Okay. These things I created something. We can type here, and then when we submit, it will store there. Okay. So these things I created. Actually, I explained that particular infinity free, right? So in that infinity free, it this link will be created, and this link will generate whenever any uh, other computers using some Google. Okay, okay, okay. After that, those login forms I show you, right? So after that, we conduct a small Scrum meeting. In scrum meeting we discussed those things what we have discussed. Okay, then in that scrum meeting we discussed those things, form creation. Okay, so after that we again join a class on 13th. Okay, in that 13 we again join a class about student management modules. We discussed with sir what are the modules required for a student management system, and what are the required modules for academic examinations, like a name, father name, some profile details, some personal details, some educational details, some academic details. So these things are divided some as a module in student management, as well as academics and examination modules also. So those things are discussed in that particular class. After that we practice on that particular student modules using php by creating something, student modules, required modules. And also in this practice session I collect some requirements, collect some data from other websites also, like other student module websites who are organizing companies and organizing particular institutions. I collect some student details modules, and I practiced on that. After that, sir told about start a lecture on SQL and exam. I will show how SQL will be work in exam. Here we need to start those things. I mean Apache and exam MySQL also. Yeah. Here also it will show here, right? So if you want to create that particular database, we need to click on new, and after that we need to say something. Okay, database I created. Okay, after that we need to create a tables, right? So these things are will directly connected with that particular. It will save as a local file, so then it will easily access those things in that particular database. Okay, in that particular code also. Okay, these things are discussed. Sir told some important concept in how to create database in XAMPP SQL, how to create tables, how to organize those things.
and after that we practice on that particular SQL topic and rectify some errors with sir. Sir told some I mean maximum students got some errors, like SQL didn't uh, access run, SQL doesn't run, some other MySQL running on in your system. So all those things will be corrected with sir. And I also got some error already. I have some Microsoft SQL in my system, so that's why it's not running. And sir connected in Google Meet, and after that sir told me how to rectify it. After rectification, I practice on that. Those rectification will be done by sir. Actually, I really thank you, sir, to given this. You would spend some valuable time with me, and after that, that error will be corrected. And I also discuss with my teammates in the Scrum meeting those errors, how to recollecting it. Uh, so I think in that days I am the Scrum Master, so I ask some persons those errors who got, and I rectified my errors. Also, somebody told me how to rectify it. All those things will discussed in that particular Scrum meeting. This is the 13th day of internship program. After that, we again connected 14th day. Yes, this is the 14th day log. 14th day, we handling the first project is a SMail project. Because of SMail is it is just like a email system. How email will work, you know already, right? So basically email functionalities are sending mail and compose mail and draft, inbox and log out login, right? So those things are the main simple things in that particular email system. So those things are created. I just name it as a small smail. Smail. It is basically just like a email system, and created those smail in my system. Also, I will show you how I created. Here smail. Those files are created here. So I will show the part. First page is register page, right? It is a sign up page. If you want to create something, my name I will create Shankar. After that name I will create as intern at the rate of gmail.com. I mean smail.com. Okay, after that password something. Then register. Sorry guys. Actually, okay. Actually, I created those things. That's why it's not running, right? So I will show you. This is the sign up form. After that, we need to log in, right? So when we are clicking login, uh, something here when you're clicking click on login, it show invalid credentials, right? So I need to give the correct credentials. So it shows like this, and so we submit the form. These things are created. So after that, we go into inbox. If I explain all those things, it will some more extension, more time, right? So I just explain those things. Okay. So minute. Yeah. Shankar. Actually, it's not running. So I will show later. Okay. Then this is a we created a smell system, and after login, it shows something right in how to send. The lack of knowledge, we didn't. I mean, we not submitted. I mean, we not completed those things. We practiced on that particular SML creating at that day, and we discussed those things what we have done. I mean, my interpretations and what my teammates are done. What are those interpretation and how they are working on that, how they are handling those things, and what are the requirements and the way of modeling those things. We discussed in this scrum meeting about that particular SML creation, and those things are discussed on there. After that, uh, again conduct, I mean again join that particular 15th September at 8:30. We discuss again SML, about SML. Sir told some other functionalities. I mean, most of the students are doing same similarity. So Sir told some other I mean other modules how to use it, and other modules creation. After that, we working on that particular email applications, and we completed that those things, and some database. I mean some database errors we got, so those things will rectified with my teammates, and rectify some doubts with those things. And sir also told some database concepts, how to adding those things, how to create it. So we created that particular email system using that php, and I thought it okay. So after that, sir gave some task to create everyone a tutorial video on that particular SML creation. So we done a tutorial video on that particular SML because of what we have done. Sir also told those things you need to make a tutorial video. Even fresher also need to understand those things. Okay. So after that, we conduct a scrum meeting, and those scrum meetings, friends also shared their videos, and we discussed on those things. What are the requirements, and what are those are explaining, and what the way of explanation. What are the, I mean, what are those interpretations they give, and discuss on that particular SML system on that scrum meeting. After that, we again join on 16th. Yes, 16th. At that 16th, sir told us something. I mean, your tutorial video like a code review. So I'm not expecting this much of, I mean, this type of video. So try to do a video, even a fresher also understand. So you need to create like that. Sir told like that. So uh, we again started making that particular tutorial video by entire typing code, and uh, typing along with explanation also. So what are the code required for this particular, how to handle the particular database, how to create it, all those things. I also done that video, and I sent to sir, And in that video I explain by typing code line by line, and I explain what this line will be happen, this line these things, and I explain those things. After that uh, it completed, and sir I will I send it to sir. I completed this thing, and after that some I mean discuss again about that, but how to clone a website and into modules. So sir told how to divide into modules. Okay. Basically cloning is nothing but dividing a website like a head part and menu part and footer part. We already done those things in my I uploaded it in that particular infinity free, as well as in this particular I mean XAMPP also. So actually I already told you, right? University, I mean like a university, how to divide a header and footer, right? So those things we have done actually. uh, After that I am not joining that particular session because of some health issues, and I didn't attend it. So even I didn't attended, I discussed those things in my with my scrum teammates. So those teammates are told me, sir told like this, so we have to done this. So all those things I discussed with my teammates, and I practice on that, how to clone the website and into modules. And I am not done that much, but I try to understand how to clone it website. So after that I take a rest. So because of I suffering from fever, right? So after that we again conduct a meeting on 17th. In that 17th, we again discussed about that particular email application and implementation. So, sir just conducted just like a revision session about that particular email application. Suppose a project we conducted on an email system, so we need to create our own, right? So, sir again told those things and those functionalities and with a code. So, we discussed on our interpretations also with sir this like this like, okay. After that we create a email system tutorial video on working on cloning website. So we again created tutorial video on that particular email system, as well as working on cloning website, how to clone it website, I mean how to divide those things using header part, footer part, like that, okay. After that, we listen a lecture about that particular classes, functions, and exception handling. So, classes is nothing but I mean classes is nothing but it is just like a, blueprint of object, right? So those things, how to create in PHP, and how to create a classes in PHP, functions, exceptions, all those things are told. And after that we have practiced on that particular functions and classes, exceptions. I mean on creating a website, how to create a result website. Mm, basically sir given that particular task, and I search those things in YouTube channels and that particular Google it, and after that I correct some requirements and I try to practice on that. After that we again join a scrum meeting with teammates, what we have done, those things, what are the those interpretations on that particular classes, functions, exceptions, okay. So those things are happening that day. And yeah, actually 18th is a Sunday, so we didn't attend it. But 19th we have some exams, so sir didn't take a class. So after that 20 we again conduct a meeting with the sir. On the 20th day, we listen a lecture about that particular result website. Sir also give some task. We need to create a result website. How to do it? What are the required modules? What are the I also created that particular result website. So I will show you how I created also. So, so I discussed with the sir and discuss with the team members, and we rectified some errors also. So I will show you my result management system, result website. So here I created some modules. Uh, First, I need to show a body of that particular UG program JNTU. Here I here some result dates and result system, right? So here third year BTech, second sem are 19. So here admin login also there. So in that admin login, we need to I gave some my emails. So when I create some publishing date, something 13 9 2022, result is something third year first sem. Okay. When I click enter, okay, then it inserted on that particular. Okay, so when I refresh it, here it created, right? So when I click on show those things, when I enter something 01, okay, submit those admission number and some results will come, right? So I created like this. After that, after that email system, we discuss with the teammates, and we discuss what they have done, what are the other requirements, what are those things where those they are done. Okay, so after that we're doing some result website, those things like I show you, right? So 21th 21th we also didn't attended because of sir came to college, so we discussed offline with sir. It's a really new experience to me. I really feel if we work in a company, so we have some boss, right? So I feel like that my boss came here, and I really express. I give some interpretations to him, and those things are really. It's a new experience, and it's a good experience to me. And I discuss some topics on in that particular JNTUA. JNTA problems like that. So sir gave some his interpretations, and we team and we interns also give some interpretations to sir. Sir, those I like this in college, and I didn't like this in college. Those things, and we explained with sir, and sir also gave some suggestions to how to rectify those things, because of we are the final years, right? So we need to do something, to college, need to conduct some clubs, all those things. So we are discussed with the sir, and we conducted that. I really I the most most happiest thing is sir done that particular lunch with us, and that's the wonderful thing. And after that lunch, sir also told some interpretations like conducting some clubs to juniors. We need to do this, do like this, and we need to change our college according to our knowledge. So all those things are told some give some information to us. So all the interpretations we have taken, and we definitely try to do, sir. it's our responsibility. I mean, it's my responsibility also to do those things. Okay. Then after that, we again 20 second. Sir has some work, so uh, we done some. I mean, we practiced individually. Sir actually in some other work. So we again joined a meeting 23rd with sir, and sir again told some cloning degree college websites. I will show you. I also cloned some degree college website. Yeah, I clone it. Footer and header. I will show first headers. Sorry. Here I created this header. Okay. After this header, I created this footer because of dividing that module. This footer. Okay. Yeah. These things I have done. In that particular degree college websites or give the task and we done divide into subdomains and adding some contents, so all those things we have done. Other directories also I done some j2a directories. Here I will show directed. Here I created some footer header and industrial menu, so those things, right? So after that, we practice on that particular task, what sir give, and we really practice on. And because of we already in contact with offline, so I discuss with offline with my teammates and also. So after that, we again conduct. I mean, we again join that meeting 24th. Yeah. 24th, we working on that particular JNT website cloning, and we sir gave some task dividing some JNT website into some teams, and those teams do. I mean, a pair of teams are divided two or three members. So Imtiaz, I mean, one of the team member told and divided them some task to us, and we practice on that particular task and we try to clone it and different pages. Okay, so after that cloning we submitted to that I mean we submitted in a group. Okay, after that we working on MakeInCollege.com internship. Okay, so we working cloning website making college, and we practice on those things. uh, Due to some I mean some less time we didn't completed that, and we tried to doing. And after I mean next day, I mean 25th also we working on and we completed those things. After that I mean that particular making college cloning website, and we conduct a scrum meeting on that day. We discussed those things what they have done, what are the websites they doing and how they're doing. Oh yeah, all those things we discussed on those things. Okay, after 24th, Sara taken as a scrum master to all the team, so we there will didn't log here. So these things are discussed until 24th. Okay, after that 24th, sir again conduct some meetings, told some tasks, and sir gave some tasks like student result requirements, student details requirements, how to we collect the data, and sir some give some board information like NBA, and we conduct. I mean, sir divide some teams and we discussed with team members about how to recollect data. I mean, how to collect the data from student and some departments like that. So all those things are discussed with the teammates and taken those interpretations, and those interpretation we working on that and we work on. And recently sir gave some other task also, faculty management system. So we also working on that. This is the 30-day uh, I mean 30-day wonderful I mean given that particular wonderful experience to me. I personally really like this internship. These credits, all those things goes to Anil sir. Really, thank you, sir. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity to us, and I really enjoyed. With work. Through this internship, I really gained some knowledge. So I will show my suggestions also. Sir, 3 or 4 before 3 or 4 days, sir told give some suggestions to your teammates, right? So I gave some suggestions to my teammates. Teammates is nothing but total interns, and I gained some suggestions. So I will show my suggestions also. Okay, yeah, yeah. First suggestion. You are a hard worker along with punctuality, but you need to improve communication skills broadly. Try to think, do, and instead of waiting for others, also don't shy to ask anyone if you are couldn't understood something. Yeah, thank you, brother. Definitely, I will try to improve my communication skills. Thank you for giving your suggestion. I also think I need to improve my communication skills broadly. So definitely, I will try to improve my communication skills. Thank you for your suggestion. After that, you are doing a good job, but you need to practice more, improving your efficiency. Yeah, definitely, bro. Practice will give some. Practice man makes a perfect, right? So I will definitely try to do practice. Definitely, I will. Try to do some I personally say something uh, I'm in my home, so some problems, family problems, so I didn't attended that much of time, so I didn't that much of practice. I practiced, but I need to improve. If I improve, so I need to spend some more time, right? So that's reason. So I definitely try to do improve my practice. My efficiency by doing practice. Definitely, thank you, bro. After that, uh, good communication skills, but you are neglecting, I think. Yeah. So you are not showing your skills perfectly. If you work in perfect manner, means you will be a good position. Yeah, thank you very much, bro. I will definitely try to working and show my skills, definitely. Okay. Then after that, smart and hard work guy with immense knowledge in web development need to improve the communication with other teams. Yeah, this is also, I think, I'm not communicate with all teammates due to some reasons. So I will definitely try to communicate with all team members, and really very thank you, bro. You are given suggestions. After that, try to participate in team activities actively. A smart working boy. Yeah, bro. I already told some problems. I didn't participated. So I will definitely try to participate. Thank you very much given this particular suggestions. Uh, I given this part myself. Okay, active participation in team meetings, but not reflecting of that in task, according to my opinion. So yeah, maybe I'm not that much of maybe this mistake I done. So definitely I will correct it, bro. Definitely I will correct, and I will show that. But I will try to actively participate. So thank you, and you good knowledge on these things. Just keep continue. Okay, thank you, bro. Thank you for your suggestion. You are very supportive and hard worker. You are very friendly with government as well as with everyone. Yeah, very thank you. Uh, Also, I also told those team members and group members are give that much support to me. So I really thank you to that and this suggestion also. Passionate and hardworking in nature have to mingle for. Yeah, bro. I will definitely try to. I will definitely try to uh, um, interact with other peoples also. So thank you very much to giving this suggestion. Good team player and hard worker, but better if you focus on managing time. Yes, yes, bro. I will definitely try to manage my time also. So helpful and easy to work with. Okay. Thank you for this suggestion. and these suggestions are give yeah, I mean again some must I mean I need to improve. Personally I feel I need to improve some those things my friends given these things. So I will definitely try to improve, and definitely try to manage my time. And thank you very much everyone to giving these suggestions, your suggestions. And these suggestions will give, I personally feel these suggestions will give me in I mean in when I join a company also I need to improve those things. Okay, so definitely I will try to do working on those things. I will definitely improve before joining a company. Thank you very much to given this I mean given this particular things, what I mean suggestions. So thank you very much for everyone. And after that these are the my suggestions, right? So in this internship I will tell you something. uh, in this internship I gain some basic knowledge, basic ethics from sir also. So those are sir sir is a very patient I mean patient person. I mean so working with I mean way of handling is very 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 much I mean important. And very and sir also the way of explanation, the way of conducting time, and the way of conducting those tasks, and the way of explanation is very 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 good. I really thank you sir to giving this wonderful opportunity, and we really gain some knowledge. It is, and I personally gain that patience is very much important to a professional person. So that I really like that patience, and I will try to do that my work with the patience. And that's the really I mean give some knowledge. I mean this throughout these 30 days I personally these 30 days special to me, because of I done something and like and learn something along with skills. And I learn non-technical skills also, like communication skills and time management skills, passionate in working, task doing with patience. So these things are really 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 I enjoyed all those things. And I want to say something, sir. So because of uh, at first, I mean, first week, I feel some felt, I mean, time management. So after that, I practice. I mean, I feel at first week, I maybe I am not complete these things. So I will try to do more on that. So after that, uh, I practice.